Okay, now another part, how it works. I am going to post another video of the screen recording as to how you can download the app and how you can go live and stream. So these videos would come down pretty soon. So hope this would be helpful for you. So we are the first live content social media platform. It's an integration of Twitter model, YouTube model, and let's say Instagram and Facebook all together. However, this is only live. The reason why live is given is because the authenticity of content needs to be there, and we are available in 175 countries. The app is working even in Ukraine. We have tested it. Even in China it is working. We don't have restrictions yet. We will come up with AI moderations very soon. Those are still under development, and in the future we are going to come up with Gen AI integrations as well. And you can start selling content in this in a very near future, and every person who becomes a flapper will make money out of this.